Alright, after understanding what is material design and what is Materialize CSS, the very first thing we have to do to get started is include frameworks of Materialize CSS into our project so that we can use it into our development. And you can see here I have opened a window of a VS Code and created a folder with name Materialize CSS, and in that folder I have created a file with name index.html, and this file is blank. So here we are going to start our work from scratch, and one thing to note down is I am going to use VS Code for this tutorial because VS Code gives a lot of features that is very helpful in development. Like you can see it is auto completing a lot of things for me, and there is a lot of other features like live server and a lot of things that you will going to see in a minute. So here I am giving a heading with name HackersFriend Material Design, and to use material design and Materialize CSS into our project, what we have to do is include the framework into our code. So how are we going to do that? So here we are going to do that. This is official website of Materialize CSS, and here I have opened the window, and you just head over to their website and click on get started, and from here we are going to include the CDN code of Materialize CSS. You can also download their code and include that into your project if you want to work on offline. So I am going to include their code in head section of the HTML page, and you can see here is the code I just copied from their website. And then to use a font family which is recommended in material design, we are going to copy the font from I don't think font is available here, so it's okay if it is not available here. Here is the yeah, so we got the font here. I will just copy the font. The Roboto font is recommended in material design. I am copying the font here. So we have included everything whatever we need, and this line will include all the material icons and everything whatever we need from in our project and other purposes, because Materialize CSS doesn't comes with icons, so we will have to explicitly include them from Google. So let's start by saying hello HackersFriend, and you will see how it is looking. I am just saving this file and I am going to open it with live server. Live server is an extension that you can install from VS Code. Here you can see I have installed live server. I have already installed live server. Live server is an extension that helps starting a really light server on your website, and you can use that server for a lot of purposes. So I am going to run it with live server, and I am minimizing this window. So you can see there is a page we have just designed, and this is how it will look in material design.